Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to change charging sound on iPhone. First of all, open the Shortcuts application on your iPhone. Now go into the Automation section. Click on the Create Personal Automation to create a new automation. Now scroll down and then click on Charger. Make sure that the charging option is checked. Click on Next. Then click on the Add Action option. After that, search for Speak Text and click on it. Click on Text to configure your ringtone. You can change the rate and pitch from here. Now click on Next and then turn off the Ask Before Running option. Now, when you connect your charger to your phone, this will play. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.